So we will start. Welcome everybody. So we should thank our sponsors, and this is important. So if you like ESUG, and don't hesitate to sponsor ESUG. Hein? So welcome. You see the important one in the picture. This is your conference, huh? So that's very important. Apparently, I have a typo, but this is the Mastodon link. You have also the blue sky if you want. Don't hesitate, take picture. The world should know that we have fun here. Normally, you have access to the Wi-Fi. You should have received an email. For the academics, you have EduRoam that is working well. In case of trouble, we can try to do something. So I wanted to thank the local organizer. So Pavel, come. So.
Thank you, Stefan. My name is Paweł Czarnol. I'm actually Vice Dean for Cooperation and Development of this faculty. It's my big pleasure to welcome you here. I hope you like the conference and the place. So maybe just a short introduction. So this is the Faculty of Electronics, Telecommunications and Computer Science of Gdańsk University of Technology. So basically, we occupy this building and the other building, so the two buildings. The whole university, there are like 15,000 students, around 3,000 students just at our faculty. The head count of the staff is approximately 220, so this is just to give you the scale. The faculty is divided into 16 departments, 6 of which basically deal with computer science. So basically in terms of teaching and also research, we teach several areas of study, such as electronics and telecommunications, computer science, automatics and robotics, biomedical engineering, data engineering. So these are the 5 areas of study at the bachelor level. And then we have master's courses, which are pretty much the same, just instead of data engineering, there are space and satellite technologies. So the whole university, I can say, is one of the leading universities in Poland. There are rankings every year. So this year, as far as I remember, this is the 3rd technical university in Poland in this ranking, which is pretty good. Also, the place, I believe, is very nice. I like the city a lot. You might have noticed that actually there are 3 cities next to each other, which is Gdańsk, approximately 500,000 people. Then Sopot, which is a well-known holiday resort, one of the most expensive places to buy an apartment in Poland. And then there is Gdynia, traditionally a harbor place, harbor town. So altogether it's called the Tri-City. And the surroundings are also very nice. So there's the Bay of Gdańsk. To the east, if you look at the map, there is an island called Sobieszewska Island. So if you are a nature lover, specifically interested in birds, it's the place to go. And if you go further to the north, you might see there is a peninsula that goes, I think, for maybe 50 kilometers. And the last stop on this peninsula is a small town called Hel. Do not mistake it with the English name. It's pronounced H-E-L, a single L. And the meaning is, actually there's no meaning in Polish, I believe. Anyway, so I do not want to spend too much of your time. So once again, on behalf of the authorities of this faculty, welcome, and I wish you a great conference. I'll be around. Actually, we are planning a cruise on Thursday. Weather permitting, hopefully it will work out. So once again, welcome.
So Pavel. So these 2 are for you, and so this is for Marius.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, Steph.
You're welcome. So yes, I really wanted. So I came this winter to discuss with them and things like that. This was my first time in Poland. So yes, thanks again for organizing, letting ESUG be here. So what you see this year, this is, so maybe we will have some little glitch there and there. So this is the first time we change the format. We will try to always have this format in the future. So we have the summer school before. So Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we have the summer school. So during the summer school, we have to adapt to the level of the students. So we will see. So basically, this is the student volunteer that comes. So for example, what we did Tuesday, we were doing agile katas and things like that. So it was. I hope that they enjoy it. It was fun, at least. And then you have the conference and the workshop. So now we will see how it works. Normally, I will show you that after. We have 85 registered participants, the student volunteers, and the program is repacked because we reduce 1 day. So I just want to explain you why we did that, because in the past we tried to do we did summer schools, but this means that we have to go somewhere, we have to organize everything, and then the conference, so like that we are sharing one organization, and like that we lose less time. So you saw this wonderful hat. So last year we were the Smurf. So this year we are the yellow guy, orange guy. So by the way, this is high quality Italian wool. We took us time to decide the color. So of course this is for this winter, but okay. So just that you know, yes, no, the guy, seriously, the producer told me that you can wash that. You should not be afraid. Now, after, you should pay attention when you wash it. This is Merino's wool, really good quality, so, but you can wash it. So, seriously, so this afternoon, we will have the award competition downstairs. There is 10 participants. What we will ask the participant to do, this is just before, they will come here and say, hello, vote for me, my project is blah, and then we will get down, okay? There will be drinks and things like that below, so enjoy it. Ah, yes, okay, Monday, this is Tuesday, correct. Yeah, you know, I wake up at 5 this morning, so, you know, I like the sun, but a bit too much, you know. So, okay, yes. There will be also 2 sessions of Show Us Your Project. You should register to Nawel there. So for the one that do not know, Show Us Your Project, this is that you have something that you want to show to people. You have 8 minutes or 10 minutes to show something that you did, and take the opportunity to show us that. So this year we forgot the badges. And we said, okay, like that, you have to talk to each other. Don't stay within the same group of people that you know. Your job, this is to talk to the people you don't know. Huh? For example, talk to the student volunteer, you know, show them the great stuff that you are doing with small talk. From the setup point of view, this is the main room. Then we have 3 rooms just across the corridor, where we will have the workshop, and then we can have a camp there where we can you can sit and code all day long if you want. I'm not sure that this is a good thing to do, but you can. So normally that's the correct day. Thursday there is the social event. So I will explain a bit because we have to adapt for the constraints of that. So we will leave here sharp that time. So this means that before there is the coffee break. So this means that for the people that are around and want to drop their luggage or bag or things like that to their place, they can, and then we leave. So I will show you what is planned. So basically, hello. Yes. So we are around here, you know, Schresch. And then you will get ticket. We will go here. Carousel, Karuzela, or I don't know if I pronounce well in Polish. Gdansk. Then we will take a boat that will go that way. And we go here to Sopot. So this is the idea. Now let's see if we can make it, because it depends on the wind. So if the weather is okay, we go by boat. If the weather, so the boat is not privatized for us, so we have to be right on spot at the boat's place. If the weather is not good because there is too large waves or things like that, because it can happen here, because they have constraints, they told me that they cannot get inside the marina here, so they should do something special. But if there is too much waves, they cannot. So in that case, they cancel the boat. What we will do is that we will have a tour in the city, and then we will take another, I don't know what, tram, and then we will go by tram. So, for the people that don't want to come here before, because we were thinking about them, if you are downtown and you have to come here to go downtown, maybe this is not optimal. What we will do is that we will meet in front of the Carusella at that time. Okay, so the Carusella, if you type that into Google, I think that you cannot miss it, because this is this yellow stuff. So, okay, that's okay for you, because the boat should be 5 minutes walking distance from here. So we took this place like that. This is you can see it. And I was thinking, Norm, for example, for the people that come with you, they can get there like that. They don't have to come here to get there and things like that. Okay. So. What I was saying is that we have the IWST workshop. So this year we got 16 or 15, I don't know, maybe 16 paper. So this is fully packed. So you see there will be Tuesday. So this is today. Yes. And tomorrow. Because before there was the Wednesday in the middle, so that's why I have to pay attention. This guy, we will only record the main audience here. So, for example, for me, I will go this afternoon to support the student in there. We put on the door. You have on the door normally the schedule and the talk. So like that, you can switch between. So follow what you want. So now, if you have questions, if you have ideas, in fact, we have ideas too. Often this is a question of time and energy. But if you have questions or ideas, or you want to help ESUG or anything, just come and talk to us, and then we will see what we can do. You know, so we are here to make this. To make sure that this conference continues. Yes, that's true. Yeah. Yes. So I repeat what he's saying. This is that, yes, ESUG, this is benevolent work. So sometimes, yes, it takes a lot of... so if you want to help, no problem. You are welcome. So... By the way, since we are a bit ahead of the program, just something else. I was walking last time, and I was telling myself, oh wow, if I think about all the stuff that happened because I decided to push Smalltalk. Because you know, when I learned Smalltalk, it was in '97 when everybody was leaving to Java. And for me, I said, no, this I was crazy. I said, no, I like the language, so I want to learn this language and things like that. So this means that basically I was thinking, okay, you know, if you want to do something and you put energy, then it's happened that things works. So from that perspective, this is positive. So this means that don't hesitate if you do something on your own corner, do it, because it means that. And for me, what I learned is that I don't want to be frustrated because people don't do it. So this means that if I decide to do something, I do it, and if people do not help, then I decided I want to be in a positive setup. I just do my stuff. So, okay, I close the parentheses. Hello? Okay. If you have contact with universities or ideas where we could organize next ESUG, just tell us. I know that James told me he knows a place in France that is a bit strange, and we could do it. You know, I have it. Yes, I have my secret list too. We keep it in case of emergency. You know. So those are the candidates. So I was giving a lecture in Bulgaria at Plovdiv this winter. So I went there, I visited the amphitheater and the setup, so that could be there. I don't remember the name of the guy that is working at Intel. We got some information about Highland and things like that, where that could be there. There is a Spain. We would love to have a ESUG in Spain. We did it in Barcelona in 2009. Madrid would be a good case, but so I contacted companies there, but you know, we should check. And also not with a 40 degree. So, but you see, if you have ideas, contact and things like that, what is important? Yes, you see, we try to see how we can get local student or teaching people so that we don't just use the infrastructure of the university, so that we get an impact there. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. So you see here they are not teaching Faro at all. They are into high performance computing. So this is a bit, it's a large stretch. But in general, what we try to do, this is, can we plant seeds so that they grow and then that we build a community? Okay, this is the end. So I should put the, I'm messy today. And if you have questions, I can reply. No, okay, everything is perfect. I like when this is perfect. So you know what yes, we will have the coffee break downstairs. For the lunch, it will be also downstairs. We will have a buffet downstairs. What we will do is that the student volunteer will move a bit the table. And what we will do after, we will put back the table, because maybe the catering, they are a bit stressed, you know. So they are not that French on that perspective. So, but the idea is that we will move a bit so that you have space to sit and things like that. And then we will do the same for the show us your project. We will distribute the table downstairs. Okay? So what I suggest is that I will switch and I will do the Faro talk like that. We finish before, and then like that we can. So I don't know if they will be ready. Ah yes, the coffee break. This is 6 hours long. No, but I know that you are completely addicted to coffee, so you know. so they start at 10 and they finish at 4. And then you can drink coffee all day long. Huh? For the speakers, I forgot to say, you should send your PDF to. They put this little ticket. You should send your presentation to that mailing list. like that. That will be put on. You will use the PDF of the presentation with the video and things like that. Okay, don't forget. I put that here like that you can see it, and you have